In this video, I'll show you how to set dual clock on your iPhone lock screen. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to set dual clock on your iPhone lock screen, you just need to come to the lock screen of your iPhone and then press and hold any empty area that you want, and you'll get to see this kind of interface, and then tap on customize and go ahead and tap on add widgets from here, and then scroll down and go to the clock here. So you'll get to see the clock. You just need to tap on this and swipe down to the right. I'll get to see the city digital. You just need to select that. So I'm gonna select that clock and I'm gonna tap on this clock here. Go ahead and select the city, the clock that you want. So I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna bring up the clock once again. I'm gonna tap on this and this will be added again, and I'm gonna tap on this one as well, and I'm gonna select a different country from here. And once you do that, you'll get to see the two different clock has been set it up on my iPhone lock screen. If I tap on done, the lock screen will be saved the way I want. You'll get to see I have the 2 clock time on my iPhone lock screen. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.